As you can see, we're having trouble with our toilet. It's slow flush. I think that's what's going on. And I was looking up the reviews on YouTube, and I've seen several videos, and they tried Dawn Ultra, and it looks like it worked for them. So instead of calling the plumber, I'm gonna try that. It's only like $1.29 for the bottle. So what I'm gonna do exactly what they did. Open the tank and then pour about 1 tablespoon inside that tube and let it set for 10 minutes and then come back and flush. And I'm gonna see if that works. And it looks like it worked. You can see the dish detergent in there. So it worked for me for the toilet. So hopefully it works for you. If you see this video, you can see that it did work. Thanks for watching.